Hey guys, today in this video we're going to learn how to check if someone deactivated Instagram account. And all we have to do is to run our Instagram application. Come here, we can, let's say, tap on the search bar and then we can tap on or search for somebody and say search for this person and that for us to check if someone deactivated their account. Their profile would not show us their post since they may have either blocked someone or have already put their company private, or we still haven't followed these people. So all we have to do is to follow them. And in the case that they do follow us back, the profile that we had tapped on hasn't deactivated the Instagram account. And we check on this one. As you can see, they have already put the account of private. In order for us to see their photos or videos with check on the follow. And if they have accepted our follow request, you may be able to see their posts and the posts within photos or videos. And thank you for watching this video. Please do that, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.